right? Even Wi-Fi stack, software, Bluetooth stack, some other apps and all. These are all softwares, right? So mainly these stacks, some mobiles do have Samsung, Qualcomm phones do have TDS and CDMA, some other technologies which are using in Japan and China and US, some other parts. But we do use to GSM and 3G. So these stacks will be there inside, right? So when you switch on, if it is a 4G mobile, generally 4G stack is the highest priority always. This is the priority one. Next, anyone 3G, the next priority 2, next priority 3. So if 4G coverage is there, your mobile directly, as it is priority 1, attached to the 4G tower, right? So as I said, 4G LTE is only for data, doesn't support voice. So when you type number, right, and pressed call button, right. So this is a kind of messaging, right? If you used landline, I'll tell you the landline and mobile example, right? Landline phones are called direct dialing. Direct dialing. Where when we press 0 or 40, right? When we press 0, local exchange tells whether you have that facility or not, STD facility or not. Means whenever you press that, that will be directly transmitted to the exchange, right? Next 4, next 0, next numbers, one by one, directly. When you press that number, that will be transmitted to the local exchange. Whereas mobile communication, right, you type all the numbers 949393521 like this, right? This goes as a message. This goes as a message, right? So inside the message, right, if you are trying for a voice, this goes as a message, right? Base station recognize, right? This is requesting for a service with the cause of voice call. When this base station receives a request from the mobile with the cause of voice call, right, it simply detach this UE from mobile from the 4G, and it will be redirected to the 2G or 3G. The call will be redirected to legacy network, we call CF, circuit switch fallback, because 2G, 3G networks are 2G, 3G networks are circuit switch network, whereas 4G network is a packet switch. Packet switch network, as I said, internet type of communication, whereas 2G, 3G landline type of communication, right? If we compare, right? Still any question?
Yes, sir. And the next query is, what are various methods in improving energy efficiency of LTE?
Right, modulation schemes only. Modulation schemes. Now, 3GPP LTE release 8 only talks up to 64 QAM. Right now, industry is testing with 1024 QAM. Right. So energy means like bits per hedge. Here, bits per hedge, I can say QPSK means there is a how many this you can see here a little bit efficiency, right? Bits per hedge per second. These are the up till QPSK, you can see here data rate here. This is efficiency. 16 QAM, you can see this is the efficiency. 64 QAM, this one. So if you go like this, 64, then 256, 512, 1024. Just imagine, like almost 10 bits per, more than 10 bits per hedge in this. 10 bits per hedge can be transmission. So this leads to the efficiency. So modulation schemes only leads to energy, like efficiency. Right. Got the answer? You can see the table here. How efficiency is increasing. Schemes are increasing when channel conditions are increasing. So higher the channel condition, right? 64 quav is using, means more number of bits are sent in a symbol, so that data rate would increase. Coding rate, like whatever we have turbo coding, generally 1/3 turbo coding is using in LT. Okay. But any other question, ma'am?
Next query, sir. What is the software used? Is it licensed one? And suggest some unlicensed software for 5G research.
No, that means software means we have to develop. MATLAB you can use. MATLAB LT toolbox is there. Right, 5G NR is there. These are enough, I think. You can these softwares are available in like academic versions. They will give 1 month license. 1 month license, like free. 1 month free. You can use this with by changing different email IDs. You can use it for up to one year or 2 years, if possible, by changing the systems or pieces. Toolboxes are there. LT toolbox is there.
Sir, next query. Which tools can be learned to get entry into industry like Qualcomm, and the learning source which is available freely?
Mostly there are no free resources, right? You should take the course, because it's a lengthy course, right? Lengthy course stack, like we should go through all 3GPP specs. So it is a lengthy process. At least it takes 3 months. At least it might take more than 3 months. At least it takes 3 months. There is like 3GPP documents are available, but you can't understand by reading. Someone should be there, some expert should be there to teach. Madam, can we see this? Any other queries in the afternoon? Yes. Okay. Thank you. All of you, thank you. Can I close this session, madam, or from your side?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Dear participants, good morning. The afternoon session link has been mailed to your registered mail ID. So we request you please join from the mail link only. And also we are announcing, every day we are announcing that the attendance, you have to post your attendance in the QA chat box between 11 to 11:30 and afternoon session 3 to 3:30. Thank you. The session will start at 2 o'clock. All the participants join us again after lunch. Thank you.